Hi guys! So I hope that that I can help you out with this video. If you're watching this video, most likely got a brand new book in, and for some reason there was some damage to the book. So I got this brand new book in a couple months ago, and I opened it up and I had a problem. See, it's all the paint stuck to the pages, and it actually created a cosmetic issue, which I like my books to be nice and clean and pristine, and so I ended up creating a book buck. If you're a consultant and you're not sure how to do this, what you're going to do is you're going to go in the back office, go into I created a ticket, but go into the back office, go to the help desk and create a ticket. And what you're going to do is you're going to take pictures, because they're going to ask you for pictures of the damage anyway, and you're going to want to put in the receipt, and in order to get this book exchanged. In the meantime, you can give this book to your kids, give it to a friend, whatever you want to do. This book is for you to do whatever you want. They're not going to want you to ship it back to the company. You're not going to have to do any hassles. It is just a simple exchange. They're going to exchange a new book for you. Now, let's say this book is out of stock or out of print. You have the option. They will give you, instead of giving an exchange, they will give your consultant what's called a book buck. And with the book buck, you can either wait for the book to come back in stock, or if you have a book on your wish list that is the same price or a little bit lower, you can actually exchange it for that book instead. So, and if it is a video issue, what you're going to want to do is or a sound issue, you're going to want to take a video instead of a picture. So you're going to do whatever you want with this book and wait for the new book. You can give the damaged book, if it's just a cosmetic issue or even a sound issue, you're going to give it to them and they are going to play with it, and you don't have to worry about anything. You can just wait for your brand new book that has absolutely no flaws. Wait one sec. I'm going to actually show you that page, how it's supposed to be. See, this is how the page is supposed to look. There's no damages, no scuffs, no nothing. I could have lived with it, but I feel that you shouldn't have to live with a damaged book if you don't have to. And so you can get this brand new book a free exchange, and I didn't have to pay shipping for it. Usborne covered the shipping. They covered everything for the exchange. I hope that this was able to help you as the customer or a fellow consultant out in getting you your brand new book. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will try and get to you to that comment as soon as I possibly can. You can also message me on Facebook. I would love to help you out and get to know you better. I hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.